When weather disrupts the economy, the costs don't disappear. They always land somewhere. The real question is, who pays? The three buckets. There are only three places weather-driven costs can go: companies, consumers, or government. Every weather shock, floods, droughts, heat waves, storms, eventually flows into one of these buckets. Companies absorb first. Companies usually absorb the first hit. They face higher insurance premiums, damaged assets, delayed shipments, and higher energy costs. At first, businesses try to protect customers by cutting margins, delaying price increases, or absorbing losses. But that protection is temporary. Margins are thin, especially in food, energy, and logistics. Consumers pay over time. When companies can't absorb costs anymore, prices rise. Food costs increase after poor harvests. Utility bills rise after grid stress or fuel shortages. Shipping costs push up prices across the entire supply chain. Consumers don't see a weather surcharge, they just see higher prices. This is how weather becomes inflation, quietly. Government steps in. When costs become politically or economically destabilizing, governments step in. Disaster relief, energy subsidies, insurance backstops, infrastructure spending. These programs don't eliminate the cost, they shift it, from individual households to taxpayers and public debt. The invisible transfer, weather risk, is rarely priced up front. It moves slowly, from companies to consumers, then to governments. This is why weather reshapes budgets, deficits, and long-term economic planning, even without headlines. Weather doesn't just affect forecasts, it reallocates risk across the entire economy, and someone always pays. Who do you think carries the biggest burden today? Consumers, corporations, or governments?